Hey, thanks for joining in. Today I'm going to show you the Second Brain Notion template. It's a template that helps you organize your entire life, mostly for personal use. First, I encourage you to add the template as a favorite by clicking the star button. It will show up in your favorite sidebar. When you expand the toggle, you'll see and access all the different sections. It's a great way to navigate. Another way is using the index at the top. Clicking any item links you to the proper section. A third option is the right side navigation bar. Let's start with the first block, a series of Notion buttons to quickly add a task, journal entry, calendar event, or note. For example, clicking task opens a new page. You can give it a name, say clean fridge. Add a date, which fills the lateness property, and assign an area and month, like home and June 25th. These buttons work on mobile too, making it easy to add things quickly. In my task database, the clean fridge task appears right away. The task database on the left is simple. You can add new items by clicking or using the action buttons at the top. Drag and drop tasks to change their status. There's a view to see tasks per area, with toggles to hide or show them. Completed tasks are visible per area, and there's a view with all completed and archived tasks. On the right side is the Today section. It's currently empty, but items for the day, from the habit tracker or journal, will show up here. You can also create a new item here. Clicking New Page in the habit tracker automatically adds today's date. Once you complete a habit, click it to update the progress bar. It works the same for journals. Click New Page to add thoughts or use a template, which we'll cover shortly. Next is the calendar. It has multiple views, this month, this week, and past events in table view. There's also a chart showing events per person. Each event can link to someone in the CRM database. You can add properties, type, event, reminder, appointment, date, and time. For example, change the time to 6 p.m. Like other databases, you can add area and month. Everything appears in your calendar, making it easy to see all at once. The research section includes notes and library. Notes are basic ideas or lists like shopping or packing. You can assign area, month, and status. If status isn't useful, you can remove it. I use it to track progress. To process includes in progress and unprocessed notes. You can filter by area or month. The library is for resources, books, articles, documentaries, things to consume. There's a view per area, a list of unchecked items, unread, unwatched, and checked ones. You can add notes directly inside a resource page. The journal database has multiple views, sorted chronologically or filtered by month or week. To add a new entry, click the button and select a template, like thoughts, learning, daily reflection, weekly review, or creative prompt. You can edit templates by clicking Edit. Change the structure and it updates future entries. You can also create your own template. Name it, build your structure, add an icon. Then you can use it like any other. The Goals section tracks your goals and objectives. It's a simplified OKR system. Add your monthly goals, tie them to a month and area. Input an initial value and a target value. Say you want to save €5,000. Start with what's in your account and set the target. Update your progress during the month and it shows on the right. For binary goals like run a half marathon, set 0 as initial, 1 as target. When done, update to 1. On the right is a life progress widget. Enter your birth date and life expectancy, and it shows your progress in life, year, month, week, and day. Keep or remove it as you like. The personal CRM stores contacts, friends, family, work, or others. There's a grouped view by type and a birthday widget for upcoming birthdays. Change a contact's birthday to today and it'll show up. Add details like address, phone, email, last contact. Inside a contact page, you'll see all shared events via a linked calendar view. Use the comment section for notes, say after a call. The habit tracker works as expected. Create a new entry each day or set it to auto-generate. Once your habits are set up, check them off daily. There's a daily completion percentage and a goal tracker in the months and years database. Say you want to meditate 7 times in June, it tracks your progress automatically. Everything is connected. Then we have areas and months, databases mentioned throughout. They help you review your week, month, and year. For example, go to Health and Fitness and see all tasks, events, notes, and goals tied to that area. Same for months. Open March 2025 to see all related tasks, goals, events, journal entries, and notes. You can also write your monthly review in that page. At the very bottom is the Finances section. Add income and expenses, link them to a month. The month and year database updates automatically. For example, if I add €1,000 of Stripe income to September, it updates the income and adjusts the balance, income minus expenses. Very easy to use. At the bottom, there's a link to documentation and FAQs. The documentation covers everything: act, reflect, and review sections, all databases with videos, images, and property explanations. The FAQ answers the most common questions about the template. That's it for the Second Brain template. If you have questions, feel free to send me an email. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough.